Hello, I'm William Cawthon, and I took my practicum here at Dearborn Auto Electric. Dearborn Auto Electric has been serving the community with certified mechanics for over 30 years. While doing my practicum at Dearborn Auto Electric, I had the opportunity to be involved in many automotive and non-automotive restoration and repair projects. Today's demonstration is an oil change procedure and inspection. At this time, I'd like to mention that at most other companies, an oil change is just that, a filter and oil change. Here at Dearborn Auto Electric, an oil change procedure consists of changing the oil, filter, and 31 other tests to ensure passenger safety and vehicle reliability. We have completed our 31 vehicle tests to ensure safety and reliability, and we are now ready to perform an oil change procedure. We start by removing the oil pan plug using an open-end wrench and collecting the oil in this oil pan collector. We then replace the old oil filter and the old oil with new oil and a new oil filter. All replacement products used at Dearborn Auto Electric are manufactured in the United States of America. Also, the old oil filter, the boxes, and the old oil will all be recycled. Nothing in this establishment contributes to a landfill. Now we're screwing on the new oil filter. Now the oil pan is drained and we will put the plug back in. The engine oil, and we fixed everything else. Now we're checking to see if it's okay. There we go. Engine oil is okay.